And this is my very first My Aquarium box. This is for the month of April. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh, wow. Cool. Let's see, it doesn't say, I'm trying to see if there's a value altogether. And I don't see it, but... Alrighty, let's go. Let's start off with some brine shrimp pellets by Cobalt. Pretty cool. Sweet. And we have a little Swedish fish. And North in USA, this is Northfin, or Northfin USA, sorry. Business card with a little candy there. And Omega 1, Feed for Cause, Fight to Conserve. That's pretty cool, have to check that out. Oh wow. This, oh my goodness, what is this? Dr. Tim's Aquatics Bone, or what is it? Beneficial food. Beneficial food. Huh. I think this is how you make your own, you can make up your own food with Dr. Tim's. Pretty cool. Brine shrimp eggs. Fantastic. I'll need those for my angels. A bottle of, packed really well. This looks like plant food here, or something plant related. Looks like the Sea Chem line, I believe, maybe. Brightwell Aquatics, Florin multi-nutrient with iron and iodine. That'll be great for my planted tank. What else do we have? Fishnet breeder. Oh, I need one of these. This is great. Cool. Very cool. And last but not least, a bottle of, not a bottle of, oh, a little pleco cave. Sweet. Very cool. Exciting. Awesome.